Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check manual for the speaker Ultimate Ears Boom 2. You have to start by opening application, go to settings, scroll down and click on help. So let's say I wanna check how to connect a speaker, so click on it. Now you should choose your speaker and you have an information. Or you wanna check how to, so you're doing the same. You click on how to, choose your speaker and then choose information what you need. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!